everybody, Raquel here from Will Work for Product, and I am so excited to be doing this video. This one's a good one because when we're talking about lip products, one of my favorite makeup products, into it's affordable beauty. So this video is all about Colourpop's newest Lippie set. This is the New Theory Lippie kit. It retails for $25 and you get 6 Lippie sticks. Now out of those 6 Lippie sticks, 1 is a cream formula. You get 2 in the matte X and 3 in the matte formula from Colourpop. I just want to read you what Colourpop says about this lip set. It says, we've come to the conclusion that we've created the perfect spring lip collection, shades ranging from wearable neutrals to bright pops of color in your fave on-the-go lip. These Lippie sticks can be purchased individually, but keep in mind that Colourpop has gone up on their prices on their Lippie sticks. They used to be $5, now they're $5.50. So depending on how many colors you like, you might be better off by buying the whole set because you're getting 6 for 25 bucks. So that is a really great deal. So the shade I'm wearing throughout the video is Lullaby, which again, you can buy individually if you choose to. I want to talk about packaging because this Lippie stick set is in the cutest packaging I think Colourpop has ever done. For real, Colourpop, you killed it. It is so stinking cute. So it says Colourpop in a metallic gold shade, and then it says New Theory, and it has these gorgeous butterflies, and then you take off this sleeve and you have more butterflies, this really beautiful aqua blue. You open it up and your Lippie sticks are inside. So I think Colourpop did an amazing job. It's really gorgeous packaging and it feels nice. The design is cute, but the material that they use, you can tell that thought and work really went into it. If I was getting this for a gift, I'd be thrilled. It's so stinking cute. Love, love, love the packaging. A+. I'm one of those people that I am a sucker for attention to detail, and Colourpop, you're stealing my heart. You get my heart because they put butterflies on top of the lids of these Lippie sticks. So they really carried that butterfly theme through. These do kind of smell a teensy bit like crayons. It doesn't bother me. It's not something I'm noticing while I'm wearing the product. I just want to note that for those who might not care for that, but I wouldn't let that be a deterrent on whether or not I wanted to pick up this set. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all 6 of the Lippie sticks that come in the New Theory Lippie kit swatched on my lips. Those are the lip swatches. How do I feel about this set? I am absolutely in love. This to me is probably my favorite Colourpop Lippie stick set to date. It is all that in a bag of chips. It's bomb. It's fire. Hashtag yeah. Colourpop did that. I absolutely love this set. I'm so thrilled to have all of these shades in my collection. When I first saw them, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about some of the shades, but upon swatching them and wearing them, I absolutely love them. The Matte X formula is one of my favorite matte formulas, point blank period, that anyone makes. and it's so comfortable. It feels like velvet on the lips, and it really does last a nice while. I find that the colors are fun, wearable, and I really think that Colourpop did a really great job of giving you, you know, some bright, fun pops of orangey reds, some nudes, some peaches. Like, you cannot go wrong getting the whole entire set. That's how I would recommend that you pick it up. You're definitely getting a great value. Instead of paying $5.50 for one, you're getting 6 for $25. It's great. It is, to me, one of the sets to get right now. I do not say that lightly. Well, that completes this review of Colourpop's New Theory Lippie Kit. I hope that you found this video fun and helpful. If you did, give it the big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I know you want to. Go ahead, hit that button. You'll feel good. I'll feel good. Let's be friends. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate if you would join the Will Work for Product family, and I will see you in a video real soon. Mwah. I love you all. Bye, guys.